Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here. Oh my goodness. Non-stop bloodbath. We are going down and down and down. And we're talking about where it's going and how to trade this in the next little while. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm here in Dubai, in the pipe, 5x5, staying alive. And man, things are not looking so good for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're getting a lot of pain. I don't know when the pain's going to end, but we're going to find out in the charts and see what we can see. But, wow, yeah. Let's take a look at that right now. Before we do, remember, if you want to trade this, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or fmx.davincij15.com. Right, hit the like, subscribe, bell button and all, and let's get into it. Okay. We started a slide. We hit the sell order came on Rockin Brainer's indicator. Right, we got a buy signal, which I knew was going to be a false signal. Right, we went up all the way to the the 13 EMA, and boom, we just lost it right away, and we're heading straight back down on the 13, according to the 13 EMA, saying we're going to go further down, and same with this M pattern. Right, we've talked about in yesterday's video. So the target, right, is approximately at the 61.8 as we talked about in the last video. Now we have the 78.6. We already touched the 61.8 once here. You can see, boom, now we're below the 61.8. But the 78.6, which is at the 35,000, approximately the $35,500 level, is where we need to hold, right? If we break through that, we have to hold approximately the 3,500 even level around there. Maybe we test below that. We don't do a close below this 34,800 level at all. If we do close below it, daily close below it is like you're gonna need a miracle. Okay, yeah. So Rockin Brainer, right? If you wanted to use it, right? This signaling system is really working well. Doesn't work all the time. There is no signal system that will give you 100%, but you can tell, right, that hey, if you removed here, let's just let me just go back here. If you got into a sell order here, right, you're sitting pretty. Now you could have reversed that sell order and go, oh my God, yeah, it's getting out. I'm getting out. When you got out, right, approximately at the 39,000 approximately, but it got you into another sell signal right here. This is clearly, we're in a trend. We told you where the target is. We expected the target to hit, and it did hit 61.8. Won't be surprised if we bounce from here before we actually head down to the 78.6 to $35,000 mark. That's the way it goes, right? Also, make sure you sign up for the Davitar. Website was not working yesterday, but now it should be up and running. Yeah, there it is. There should be upgrades to the Davitar very soon. Yeah, there it is. Announcements and everything. Yes, and there will a lot more to come, so make sure that you stay updated by signing up here with your email and also joining the Discord and the Twitter. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum quickly, and then we're going to close it off and won't be doing the dominance chart today. Yeah, you can see M again right here, and the target is still at the $2,400 mark. The target is at the $2,400 mark, as we've seen down here, and we are going to probably continue down all the way there. It won't be a straight line. It looks like there is a little bit of rough patch, and we are far away from the 13 EMA, so I would not be surprised if it decides to bounce off the 61.8 and give the kids a little bit of a reprieve. Yes, but Ethereum and Bitcoin going higher. Thank God. Okay, maybe this time is going to go. But no, this is there's no bullish signals here. Nothing. For this to turn to the bullish side, I would have to say we'd have to get over the $3,500 mark approximately, and we didn't. And we are heading here. So we can see that this thing has to hold the $2,400 mark, or else, you know, it's probably lights out. Wouldn't bet on it. Let's see if there's a trend line here quickly that we can like see that this thing might turn the corner. It's right there. Yes, there we go. You can see there is sort of like a trend line here that, oof, look at that, goes all the way back to February of last year. So yeah, very key trend line right here that we've bounced off of before, and you can see that hey, this thing could bounce down all the way here to the $2,200 level. I mentioned that I had different what's it called, trends lines that also correlated with that, which I've recently removed. So I'm wondering if that's a you know, TSN turning point, or a what's it called, a basically a turning point in the market, that the pivot point that lines up together. So it's interesting. Maybe it's the lower level. I forgot what the trend level was, but I will look at it at another time, because I remember seeing something down here that indicated that the $2,200 level was the key area. Maybe it was the all these wicks down here. So, but I think it was something else. I think it was another trend line. But yes, that's where I think Ethereum has to bounce. Doesn't mean it will bounce, though it has to bounce in order for us to really see this thing go for change the bearishness into bullishness, basically. To trade this, right, I really think that well, obviously we could have went with the sell signal on the daily, right? You can see it's up there with the Rockin Brainer. Again, pretty much the same thing happened here with the Rockin Brainer. We're going to see more downside pressure. If we reverse this to the upside, I would suggest you sell anything. You take the fibs and you sell the 38.2, right, with a little bit of you know, caution here. So 38.2 around the 200 period moving average of 4 hour. So it's unlikely we'll do that. If you already have a short, you should just hold it. It's unlikely we'll head up here because we have resistance approximately at the $2,800 level. So, and right now the 38.2 is right there as well. So we might not, we might come close to it, but hey, if we do, that's a shorting opportunity for you. Okay, thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here. I want everybody to trade up their get as much Bitcoins as they possibly can, because you know what, as you know, our civil liberties and freedoms are being attacked by governments as they freeze our bank accounts, right, for protesting. But hey, if you're a pedophile, your bank account stays open. Oh wow, that's the world we live in. Thanks for watching.